Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are Tech4Life. Nubia announced the RedMagic 6 and RedMagic 6 Pro gaming smartphones in March in China. The brand is back with another gaming phone called the RedMagic 6R. This smartphone was launched on the 27th of May 2021. Is it different from the previous generation? Now, let's unbox this Nubia's flagship, RedMagic 6R. The RedMagic 6R features pressure-sensitive zones, 400 Hz touch sensing, and it is built with a glass front, glass back, aluminum frame and supports dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby. The RedMagic 6R offers other features such as dual SIM support with 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, DTS, X ultrasound support, single smart PA, and USB-C. The handset measures 163.04 by 75.34 by 7.8 mm and weighs 186 grams. Hence, it is one of the thinnest and lightweight gaming smartphones available in the market. It is available in various colors such as dark blue, silver, and light blue. The RedMagic 6R has a 6.67-inch AMOLED punch-hole panel that produces a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, a 20:9 aspect ratio, a 144 Hz refresh rate, a 360Hz touch sampling, peak brightness of 770 nits, DCI-P3 color gamut, 10-bit colors, and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. The display has 395 ppi density. The device is powered by Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor and the GPU is Adreno 660. The RedMagic 6R has 6 GB, 8 GB and 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. For storage, the handset offers UFS 3.1 storage choices such as 128 GB and 256 GB. The RedMagic OS 4.0 based on Android 11 comes pre-installed on the RedMagic 6R. The RedMagic 6R has a 3D cooling system for heat dissipation, which includes a graphene layer, a VC liquid cooling, a thermal gel, superconducting copper foil, and a metallic mid-frame. It is backed by a 4200 mAh battery that supports 55W charging. In comparison, the RedMagic 6 has a 4500 mAh battery with 66W charging, whereas the 6 Pro, Global, has a 5050 mAh battery with 120W charging support. For gamers, the RedMagic 6R features gaming trigger shoulder buttons that offer a response rate of as low as 8.3 ms and a 400 Hz touch sampling rate. Buyers who purchase the RedMagic 6R can take advantage of Tencent's exclusive custom gaming package such as Call of Duty, The End of the World, and Moon Knife, and Glory of the King. The RedMagic 6R has a front camera of 16 megapixel that supports portrait selfie mode and full HD video recording. The rear camera system of the 6R comprises a Sony IMX682 64 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel ultrawide lens, a 5 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth helper. It supports features NeoVision camera engine, like Super Night Scene Mode, Portrait Mode, time-lapse slow-motion video recording, and 4K video recording. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass, magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and in-display fingerprint sensor. Apart from announcing the standard RedMagic 6R, Nubia also unveiled the RedMagic 6R Buddha IP Limited Edition inspired by the Monkey King game. This one comes in a single version featuring 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of built-in storage. The other specs of the phone are the same as the standard 6R model. Now, our RedMagic 6R video is over here. What do you think about this Nubia's flagship? Let's show us your comment here. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, support for my channel. Okay, time to say goodbye. See you next video. Bye bye.